Go.
I'm Dennis Brown. I'm the Senior Chief of Aviation for CAL FIRE, and we're currently located at our new leased hangar for our C-130 program, actually, but currently we have our new CAL FIRE Hawk that's in the background here. This is a replacement aircraft for our UH-1H helicopters that we've used for years, and this aircraft is more capable. It's got that 1,000-gallon tank that isn't on it right now. That's why it looks like it sits so high because the tank is off. But it's a 1,000-gallon tank compared to a normal 320 to 340-gallon tank on our Hueys that have